Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video I'm going to be talking about a couple of new skincare products that I have right here. These are from Bioderma. So these products are from their Sensibio range. So these products are catered towards people with sensitive skin. This is the first time that Bioderma has launched these really good premium skincare products with really good ingredients at an affordable price range. And yeah, all these products are made in France, if you guys were wondering. So these products are applicable to anyone who's just starting off with skincare. You're not sure what to do. There is nothing complicated in this. Of course, you can mix and match, use your other products in conjunction with this, but I will be explaining about the products and how you can go about your routine with this. So the first one we're going to be talking about is the Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water. Now this one is quite popular worldwide. A lot of people really like this one, and so this one you get 100 ml of product and this retails for 395 rupees. So I no longer use cotton rounds, the disposable ones. So I have switched to makeup towel, and this is from Miniso. So this comes in a pack of 2 for 250 rupees. I found it to be really affordable, and this is something that I can wash regularly. And I have another one as well which is really dirty, so I wanted to show you guys this. So this is really soft and nice, and it does help a lot in taking off the makeup. So I dunk the bottle like this on that and then remove my makeup. It takes off everything, even shimmer eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, black eyeshadows. So it does come in handy for me for my lip swatches as well. You guys know I do so many of those. So this is what I have been using for all of that, and it does a really good job in taking it off. So this product has a pH of 5.5 and it is said to be the world's first micellar water. It's very gentle on the skin, and especially if you have very sensitive skin, dry skin, any skin type, you can try this one out. So if you guys are wondering what this actually is, this is highly purified and pharmaceutical grade water. So they mentioned that you don't actually need to rinse this once you use this on your face, and this is like a no rinse kind of a product, but I usually like to still go ahead with my usual cleanser. I do that with any product, so I use this as part of my first cleanse. And then a little bit about the ingredients as well. This has a probiotic in it, which I will leave all the ingredients right here on the screen. It will pop up. So that is a plant sugar ingredient that helps restore the good bacteria of your skin, and it also contains a couple of other ingredients in this one. This one is very effective for me to take off all of my makeup, but there will still be a little bit of makeup residue left, especially if you are someone who uses a lot of makeup, like a full coverage foundation, a full face of makeup. Just a micellar water, in my opinion, doesn't do it for me, so I need to go ahead with a cleanser. So this one is the Bioderma Sensibio Gel Moussant, and this one again you get 100 ml of product, and this retails for 449 rupees. Really good skincare products at affordable price range. That is what I really love about my job. I get to try out so many different products and discover so many different products as well. If it was up to me, I'd be like a creature of habit and just stick to a couple of products and never try out new ones. So anyways, this cleanser is a very gentle cleanser. It is also useful to remove your makeup around your eyes as well. It doesn't really sting and burn your eye. And again, if you have sensitive skin, you would really like this. It wouldn't strip your skin off. It's not very drying on the skin, especially if you have normal to dry skin. And since I mentioned that I have normal to dry skin, that is the reason they sent this over. They have other cleansers for people with oily skin as well. You can buy what suits your skin type. So I did go through the ingredients. So it has cocoa glucoside, which is a surfactant that is a non-ionic surfactant, which is said to be biodegradable, and it also has glyceryl oleate as a co-surfactant, which is a surfactant, so it has the foaming and cleansing abilities. It also acts as an emulsifier or a refattening agent to your skin. Then it has a couple of humectants, which I went through, emollients. So this one is a mild soap-free cleansing gel, and it uses the efficacy of the micellar technology in a rinse-off formula. It has good skin tolerance. I really like it, and I feel like it does take off any excess makeup residue that is left on my face, and it cleanses my skin really well without stripping my skin off. So this is something that I have been testing out and been using it during the daytime and during the night, usually after I have finished filming. So that's when I've been using this to take off my makeup and everything, and before my skincare products, and I really like that. So next one, we are moving on to the Bioderma Sensibio Tonic. Now this again you get 100 ml of product, and this retails for 449 rupees. Now this one is supposed to help soothe and moisturize your skin in case you have any dryness, any kind of redness. It's supposed to help with all of that. Redness I can't really vouch for because my skin is not prone to that, but it can get a little bit itchy sometimes. So sometimes when that itchiness is there, I have applied this one and it does help soothe it, calm it down, and it doesn't get very dry. So the humectants present in this are glycerin and xylitol, which again helps with hydrating your skin and strengthen your skin barrier. And another key ingredient in this is allantoin, which helps soothe the skin and also moisturize the skin, and to an extent also exfoliate the dead skin cells. So it's a very nice toning lotion, and what I do is I just put the product like this on my palm and then apply it all over my face and neck. And then while my skin is a little bit wet is when I like to go ahead with this one. This is the Bioderma Atoderm cream, and this is an ultra nourishing cream that repairs, soothes and protects for normal to dry sensitive skin. I can vouch that this actually works for people with very dry skin. I have a person at home who has been enjoying this so much and is using this a lot along with me lately is my husband. So he has very dry skin and he's been loving this, and every single time he's like, if I have to go to my mom's house, he's like, are you taking this with you? Please leave it back for me. So he's also been enjoying this. I feel like it's a very nice deep hydrating formula. It adds on to the softness and the suppleness of your skin. It just adds a nice glow onto your skin, and you can also use this for underneath your makeup products as well, especially if you have very dry skin. Only thing I do feel like if you go a little overboard with this, it can get a little too sticky. It is a little bit sticky even right now, but if you use too much, it can be a little too tacky for you. So just see how much your skin needs and use accordingly, and it just looks so good, you guys. It just adds on to the glow onto your skin and it looks very nice. And this one is for 599 rupees and you get 200 ml of product. When they meant premium skincare at affordable prices, I don't think they were kidding. It's really nice. You can use this for your body as well. So I read up on the website that they have a Skin Protect complex that contains vitamin B3 that helps create a healthy skin barrier. So the vitamin B3 present in this is actually niacinamide, and you guys know the benefits of niacinamide in skincare, so I'm not going to be going in detail about it, but it's a really good ingredient for your skin, especially if you have a lot of dark spots, large pores, texture issues on your skin, and in all, it's a really good skincare ingredient to have. It does also contain a couple of occlusives and emollients present in this one. I really like this. I have used this for my body as well. I do use this for my face. It's a really nice texture, and also works really well as a primer for your makeup because of the tackiness that it has. It actually grips onto your makeup on top of this and makes it look really nice. Like in today's video, like right now, I do have a tiny amount of makeup on my face, but during the demo you guys can see how my skin is looking. It is really helping a lot. I feel like these skincare products go very well hand in hand with my other skincare like actives that I use, and it's not like it's clashing with one another. That is very important for me when I'm using any product. I don't want the result and the hard work to go in vain. Like I've been trying to build a beautiful routine, and I'm trying to make my skin feel happy in general, and I don't want any product to wreck it. And these are so calming, so amazing that it goes very well with my other skincare products as well. So even you can do that. So you can expand the skincare, you can add in whatever you want to, and if you are just a beginner, these products are a great way to start off, and then you can build on to it. So yeah, I have been really enjoying these products, and let me know if you guys have tried out any of this and what are your thoughts and opinions on these products. I would really like to know. And while you're commenting, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And while you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the